So I'm going to be installing the mesh over my raised planting beds here that you see behind me, and that way I can keep the insects and hopefully small rodents and birds off of my garden. So let's go ahead and we'll put the mesh on. I'm going to have to cut it to the length of the raised garden bed. And so let's get started. Okay, so you can see here that we've taken some rubber hose and created some hoops here with some PVC pipe buried down in the garden box. And now I'm just going to put the mesh over these hoops, and that should create a nice barrier to keep the insects out and hopefully birds. So this is 10 feet by 33 feet, so it's much more than we need. I'm going to lay it out and then cut off the excess that I don't need. Okay, so I have plenty of netting. I've cut off some of the excess at the end. And now I'm just going to take some clips that I have and I'm going to clip it around the edges. And these are the clips that I'm going to be using, are these little clips here. Okay, so you can see here I've got the net all up over the garden, and I've taken clips and I've gone around and clipped the net to the flower bed frame here of the galvanized metal raised bed frame. Okay, so you can see I've clipped the fabric, the mesh down all the way around, and I've gathered up around the bottom. I've gathered it up and just clamped it down with those little clamps. I think this is really going to work out great. I think it looks really nice as well. Hope that gives you some ideas on how to protect your plants from insects and birds.